Glam fam, what's up? Here we do a get ready with me to feel good about myself. So I'm gonna teach you guys a cut crease. We're just gonna get right into it. I just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies on the camera? And the first thing we're gonna do to feel good about ourselves, I'm gonna go in with this Naked Cosmetics lip scrub. This EOS balm at any drugstore, you probably already know. Keep this on throughout the whole tutorial until it's time to add lip. For our face with some Bedesco setting spray. To the Becca Illuminating Primer. I can't live without this as of lately. I mean, I'm just loving the way it makes my skin feel and look. I already know with my Morphe M439. I'm just gonna stipple in it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to use a foundation, you can go ahead and do that. I'm just going to do a little spot correcting, BRB. Shadow Insurance Primer. No preference over this one to the Urban Decay. It's just what I was easy to grab right then and there. The Jaclyn Hill palette. I figure we give our girls some love. Taking my big fluffy brush from Morphe, the Morphe M200, right here. A crease brush, just a Target Disney collection yellow color, and I'm going to lay that in my crease. Blending brush, and we're going to go into a deeper of an orange color. We're going to go right into this one right here. Going in with the sharp tape, sharp shape tape. Let's try it again. Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm taking this as no name. Fluffy brush by e.l.f. Just this regular shade right here, just to set it. There, just like this, and we are going to clean up. cut crease, the actual lid, we are going into the Galaxy palette. We're going into this spicy number right here. Rose water spray. And we are gonna put that on the middle. Heaven help me now. We're also gonna take it in the inner corner. That's just gonna brighten it right up. Oh, that's beautiful. For concealer, since I already have it out, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm not gonna use that much. Just a dot, and a little bit right here. On contour, I'm going into this City Color Collection. It's a brown lip liner. And I'm gonna buff it out and up. Disney limited edition Mickey Mouse palette. I am going to go into the darkest shade. Hello Kitty by Colourpop collection. It's called Fun with Friends. Morphe M427 stippling brush. BE36 pencil brush. You guys already know that's my favorite brush. The purple color, yeah, you guessed it. And then to blend it out, of course, yes, I'm going into the yellow. Going to be spraying. We are going into that fire color. Okay, now we are going to spray. And for highlighter today, you know it, we're going into the Fenty Husla Baby highlighter. That'll give you a better picture. Let me swatch it. I'm sure you've seen it swatched. Morphe M501 highlighting brush. Going back into the highlighter, I'm gonna go in the inner corner as an inner corner highlight, obviously. My brow bone. It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. The Fenty Beauty Griselda. It's like a glitter topper. And I think it'll pull the purple from the eyes. Spray one last time. The finished look. Thank you so much for getting ready with me today. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. Get your flirt on, get your drink on, get your being single on. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.